Hello, you're welcome. Today we are going to solve a grade 9 problem on the topic word problem. So we have those questions that says 2/5 of a number subtracted from 1/4 of itself is equal to -3. Find the number. 2/5 of a number subtracted from 1/4 of itself is equal to -3. Find the number. So what is the first two things we need to take note of in this question? 2/5 of a number and then 1/4 of itself, of that same number. Now, usually, mathematically, we know that we represent an unknown number by what? X. Since they said 2/5 of a number, but we do not know the number. So the first thing we're going to say here is what? Let the number be what? X. And then the next thing we're going to take note of is 2/5. 2/5 of the number, which is what? The unknown number X. Then also we're going to take note of 1/4. That is 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 of what? Itself. That means of that same number, which is what? X. Now let's fit all of this value into the question, the way it goes. 2/5 of a number, which is this, is subtracted from, so we are removing this from this, which mathematically is going to be what? 1/4x minus what? 2/5x. They said is equal to what? Minus what? 3. So we've been able to interpret the question into what? An equation. Now what is the next thing? This can be represented by x over what? 4. Still meaning the same thing. 2x over what? 5 equals what? -3. The next thing we're going to do now is what? Take the LCM of what? 4 and 5, which is what? 20. 4 in 20 is what? 5. 5 times x gives us what? 5x minus 5 in 20 is 4. 4 times 2x can be assumed to be what? Let's make it expressively. Let's expand it. So the next thing, we're going to have 5x over what? Okay, 5x minus 8x, everything over what? 20 equals what? -3. Now, what is the next thing we do here mathematically? We are going to what? Cross multiply, because we have a fraction equals a whole number. So we can just what? Cross multiply. Now, the next thing we're going to do, if we cross multiply on our left hand side, we're going to have 5x equals what? Minus 8x. Then equals on our right hand side, this times this, -3 times what? 20. And the next we're going to do here is what? 5x minus 8x. That is going to give us what? 3x equals -3 times 20 gives us what? -60. So then we can divide both sides by what? By 3. So 3 here cancel 3. Now this should be -3. Yeah, -3. This should be -3. Sorry about that. So minus cancel minus here also. 3 here 1, 3 in 60 is going to be what? 20. So we have x equals 20. Then we put our conclusion. So therefore, the number which we are looking for, the number is what? 20. How do we check this to confirm if this is really true? Let us put the value of 20 into this place. If it will give us what? -3. So if you have 20/4, minus what? Minus, if you put 20 here, you're going to have 2 times 20 will give us what? 40. 40 over what? 5. And the LCM of this is going to give us what? 20. This in this is what? 4 in 20 is 5. 5 times 20 is what? 100. Minus 5 in 20 is 4. 4 times 40 is what? 160. So if you do 100 minus 160, we're going to have -60 over what? 20. In this case, so 0 cancels 0, 2 here 1, 2 here what? 3. So we have what? -3. So that means our answer is what? Correct.